Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. LA, and today I'm creating these quick videos because I just want to educate people so that they know about investing. Yes, I'm not one of those people like, come on, everybody has to be rich. I don't believe in that, but I do believe I'm a head and not the tail, above and not beneath, a lender and not a borrower. Okay, I strongly believe that, and I do believe that that is God's will for whoever wants to believe that as well. Right? Everybody has a different belief system. It's fine with me. But those who hate their job, those who are trying to figure out how you're getting ready to finance college for your child, or maybe your child can't go to college because you can't afford it. Those people, let's have a chat, right? Because these markets are out here and they're very, 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 very real. And you can invest as little as $1 or less and get paid. Now, today's video, I just simply want to talk to you about the different markets for investing, okay? There are three major markets. The first one that I love, the biggest one, is the foreign exchange market, okay? So in the foreign exchange market, you're going to have something called Euro USD. What does that mean? What is Euro USD? I'm making this short because I don't want you to go away. I want you to learn with me just for a moment, please. All right. Euro USD. This is a part of the foreign exchange market. I'm exchanging one currency for another. I've lived in Dubai for quite some time. I'm back in the States, so I'm in Cali. Uh, and whenever I go back to Dubai, yes, I have to exchange the US dollar for the UAE dirham. Okay. Many of you have been to Mexico or maybe you've been to Europe. You know, every country has their own currency. Okay. American dollar is good in America. Okay. But countries have to survive off their currency. This is why it's the largest market in the world. We didn't learn this or participate in it because most families can't afford to. Back in the day, need about 10K to get into this game. Well, guess what? Now you can get in with $1. Yep, a real dollar. Okay. And so the foreign exchange market, $6.6 trillion per day are exchanged. You participate in it because I'm sure you bought something online. Yeah. I'm sure you have something in your house that says made in China, made in Indonesia. Guys, it's not scary. It's the foreign exchange market. Okay. And it's a beautiful thing. And I like it because it's volatile and it pays you. Now, how can I get paid here? Well, these red things are candles. If it's going down, the market is going down. All right. If it's blue or teal green, it's going up. Okay. So this is buying and this is selling. And how you make money in the foreign exchange market. Of course, you have to learn how to read these charts. And I do teach that. But you make the decision if you're going to press buy or sell. You only have two options, buy or sell. Guys, I promise you it's not deep and you can make a lot of money in the foreign exchange market. My problem with the people that I train is not teaching them how to make money, it's teaching them to be more disciplined and to stop, okay? Because straight probability, one of these trades is not going to work out in your favor. So when you meet your goal, leave it alone. So that's the foreign exchange market. Now, let's talk about another market, rapidly growing 2 trillion per day. Bitcoin, the crypto market. Gosh, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the crypto market because it's kind. Now, the crypto market, guys, you don't have to trade it here on the chart. You can just go to different places like Coinbase and you can buy coins. You can watch videos, okay, on the crypto market on Coinbase and they will pay you. The videos are less than a minute. I highly do recommend that just because it's education. I'm an educator, not a financial advisor. I'm an educator. So I'm providing you with education so that you can make your own decisions. All right. So the first market, what was the name? Do you remember? Forex, foreign exchange market. Okay. No, it's not a scam. It's not possible. That sounds so crazy when people are like, Forex is a scam. Like, do you know how ignorant you sound when you say that? And I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings, but I want people to be liberated. The foreign exchange market is the largest market in the world. If you have something in your house from a different country, you are participating in the foreign exchange market. All right. The crypto market, it's called digital currency. Very real thing. It is the way of the future. When people say that it's not real, it's kind of like when your grandma said, I'm not putting my money in the bank because it's not real. They're going to take my money. And you're looking at grandma like, grandma, they're not going to, grandma, the whole world is putting their money in the bank. It's okay. Now, some people just don't want to put their money in the bank, and that's fine as well. But we know that banks are very real things. So that is what digital currency is, okay? It was created Bitcoin so that I could send money to you and you could send money to me without the need of a bank. Why would I want to do that? Why would somebody think of that idea? So that the bank can stop taking all the money, getting the fees. There are so many people who live around the world and they have to send money to their home country. And when they're sending money to the home country, you just think about a person who doesn't make a lot of money. Those fees add up and their families are limited, right? So this really is a form of empowerment where people can send money and they can receive it instantly, okay, on what we call a blockchain. It's sent through a blockchain. That is what digital currency means. What in the world is a blockchain? It's basically a computer system. Just look at it as computer science that verifies a transaction that is a real transaction and makes it able for me to send money to my friends in Dubai or my friends in Dubai to send money to me instantly. Guys, it's not a trick. It's not a scam, okay? It is a real thing, but we just don't know about it. So I want to educate as many people as possible on these markets and how you can get paid. Why? Because if you hate your job, oh my gosh, I know what it's like to work a job that you hate. Yeah. I know what that's like. I know what it's like to work day and night and still not be able to make ends meet. Goodness gracious, I know what that's like. But let me tell you something. I do what I want to do. Uh-oh, hold up, my phone is ringing. I'm able to do what I want to do when I want to do it. And that's a beautiful thing. Okay. So the foreign exchange market, the crypto market, and then the stock market. Okay. We simply teach you how to purchase fractional shares. Now, the stock market, these are going to be companies. And when you're getting fractional shares or maybe get a whole share, you're becoming a stockholder in a company. That's like partial ownership in a company. And a lot of them, they pay you dividends. Okay. And I like that. What are dividends? It's like they pay you for being a part of the company, for being a shareholder. Okay. So the foreign exchange market, that's one market. That's Forex. I want to get paid right now. Okay. It's volatile though. Never invest what you can't afford to lose. And then we have the digital currency market. That's where you got your crypto, your Dogecoin, your Safe Moon, Ethereum, all of those. That's a part of digital currency. And those are things, and they're created, they all have what's called a white paper. Okay. The majority of them. They have a white paper and it's their use case. It's why it's been created and how it's going to improve our world. And so many people are fighting this, but this is really powerful and it is going to bring a lot of power to the people, literally. Okay. So you have that crypto market. And then a lot of you are already familiar with the stock market. A lot of people are intimidated by the stock market because they think you need a lot of money to participate, and you absolutely do not. You can now get fractional shares. So I do these sessions all the time. I teach classes through my nonprofit. We are about empowering people. And I just want people to know, I don't want you to, feel like we on some get rich quick scheme. Check my energy. I'm not interested in that, but I am interested in that mother that wants to send her baby to college, but cannot and don't know how she's going to do it. I am interested in that father, that don't want to go out there and do things that he should not be doing, but he know he got to put food on the table. I'm interested in those people that they would be empowered, and even regular working class people that may have a dream for a side hustle or for a business or for vacation, that they would be empowered, that they would know there is a way you can participate. Many of us could not participate before, but the playing field has been leveled. So we have got to take advantage of it. How do we do that? You're going to have to connect with me. All right. Connect with me, and I'm going to give you some resources, and I'm going to provide you with a mentor. Yes, I am connected to several mentors within my organization, people who volunteer, who would do that. Plenty of people have great hearts who volunteer to educate and help people get started. So connect with me. Wishing you all the best. I hope you found this information to be helpful. I showed you, this is chart analysis. I teach people how to read charts. I showed you the crypto market. Oh, I can show you stock market. My very favorite is US 30. I am a beast at you. Oh, look at US 30 is looking just like Bitcoin. Okay, US 30 is dropping. She had an incredible high, guys. An incredible high. All right. Went all the way up here. Look at that. That's super duper money. All right. This means the market is going up. It's buying. It's a beautiful thing. This is a stock that's traded in the foreign exchange market. But I can teach you all about that. You have to connect with me, connect, and let's go ahead and get you started. I don't want this video to be long, so I am signing off. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope that this education empowers you in real life. Have a great day.